Hey everyone, thank you so much for landing on this page. And my name is Zachary D'Amato. I am a mortgage advisor and I'm looking forward to helping you build wealth in real estate. Now, if you're on this page, it's because you're trying to start a new mortgage application or you're trying to find an old application. Now, if you're trying to find an old application, go ahead and click the button that says already have an account and go ahead and sign into your account. If you're starting a new application and have never signed in before, go ahead and create an account. Put in your name, your email, and create a password so that way you could have a safe and secure portal to go ahead and complete a loan application and upload documents. Now, this is a safe and secure portal, so all your information and documents is secure, and we will never sell your information to anybody. Now, if you have any questions while you're completing this application or uploading documents, feel free to reach out to myself or anyone on my team. We'd be happy to help you complete this process. So, looking forward to helping you along this journey. And if you have any questions, reach out, but we will talk to you on the other side.